Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video. I'm starting a series on C language, and I'll be explaining you the coding problems in C language along with the pseudo code, okay, and logic. So this is my first video. I'll be explaining from algorithm and flowchart, and all the beginners can see this video and can learn from this. So first of all, uh, in C, whenever we are writing some code, the basic steps required for writing a simple code is algorithm and flowchart. You cannot direct go with the coding section, right? First of all, you have to take some steps, like you have to learn first algorithm and then flowchart. Suppose you are having a problem statement, like you are given two numbers a and b, and you have to sum that number and you have to get an output as C. So the beginners will face a lot of issues understanding how to write a code, and how to write a code in any language like C, Java, Python, whatever language you are using. The basic step is to write an algorithm for that, and logic plays a very important role. Like if you are writing in any language, C, Java, Python, any language, logic will be the same, just you need to change the language. Like C, if you are writing C, you have to use the steps of C, rules of C. If you are writing in Java, you can use the rules of Java. So algorithm, what is an algorithm? First we will be learning that. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. If the problem algorithm is written in English like sentence, then it is called pseudocode. So whenever you are given a problem statement, the basic step is used to write an algorithm. So what are the steps involved in writing an algorithm? First is input. An algorithm must have 0 or more inputs. Like we have some statement called like you are given a variable a and b, and you have to sum a by using a variable c, and you have to give output as C. So in this, what are our input? A and b is our input. So what we will do, a plus b equals a, C equals to a plus b. In this, input is a and b. Output, an algorithm must have one or more output. So by using C equals to a plus b, this is our logic. Here a, b are input, C is our output. Finiteness. So when we are writing some algorithm, it should have some some number of steps. Like there should be an end. It should not be like infinite number of steps. Definiteness. Every step in an algorithm must be stated clearly and defined. Suppose you are writing some step, it should have some meaning, right? So it should be clearly stated why you are writing this. Suppose I am writing C equals to a plus b. What is the purpose here? It will give the sum. Okay, so it should have some meaning, right? It should be defined properly. Effectiveness. Every step in the algorithm must be transformed or converted to program statement, and you have to make your algorithm effective by using all the conditions of a program. Like it should convert in a programming statement. I'll be showing you by using one example. So here we have one example I'll be showing you. Yeah, see, now we have to our task is taking two integers a and b and getting an output C. So in this, we have input of two integers called as a and b. Our process is to sum the input a and b and get an output C. So for this, we are designing an algorithm. Our first step is, we said that it will have some finite number of steps. So our first step 1 is start. Second step is read two numbers a and b. As I said you, our input has two integers, that is a and b. So read two integers a and b. Then process is sum, the input. So we have sum a b and get c as output. So c equals to a plus b. Then and get our output. Now output is c, here we got. So print c last, then we have end. So these were the finite number of steps which we used to do a simple procedure, that is sum of two integers. By using this finite steps we are getting output as c. As I said you, in an algorithm we have these steps, right? Input, output, finiteness, definiteness, effectiveness. So here in this we have all the things. Input we have output, we have finite number of steps, we have defined all the steps clearly, and it is converted to a programming statement. So this was our first video on algorithms. I hope you find this useful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Stay tuned.